Hello everybody and welcome to Bell CB. I have a Galaxy 2547 tune-up report today for you. This is for Alan in Maryland, and he's got this Silver Salute by Superstar. I got the mic turned way down, so we don't feedback, but you can hear it a little bit anyway. Yeah, not down enough, right? Audio check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4. And it's hard to have a bass mic and talk back at the same time. Okay, over here on the watt meter, I got 10 watts across the top. Coming in 5 all the way up. And if I turn it down, about 1 all the way down. Okay, let's turn that back up. And take a look at the peak power over here, 50 watt scale. Looking right in the middle. See where it says 20? That's 20 watts. Audio check, 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 check. And that's 30. Audio 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Check, 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 check. Audio check. Audio check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let me stand far away here. Audio check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio. It's one-handed stuff. Okay, a little sideband. Audio check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio check, check, check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio check, check, check. And let's try it on the air. Bragg 19 for radio check.
Yeah, you're coming in loud and clear, boss.
Appreciate it, man. Thank you very much.